Konnichiwa guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Some peeps ask me how to draw anime and they can't draw. I mean, they can for sure, but it's not perfect, they said. And then I think, so why don't I make a playlist for them? It will be very helpful for them, I guess. So that's why me doha-san is going to start a new playlist of tutorial, and I really hope that you guys will enjoy it and you guys will find it very helpful. And today in this part 1 I am going to talk about front view of anime face. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Oh, another thing guys, watch the video till the very end, because I will give you 3 basic tips of drawing anime. So this method I called the box method, and many of the artists use this method particularly because it's super easy and it's very beginner friendly. Now first of all, draw a box, and the box can be in any size, but remember guys, the size of the box indicates the size of your anime face. This is the point of chin. So from this point I will draw a curve. I will draw a curve from this point, from chin, and I will draw the jawline of the anime face. From this point to the point I draw in the middle of the straight line over there. So I just draw a jawline. Okay. Again, now I will draw the jawline of other side. I just complete one side and now I am going to draw same. From this point I will draw a curve from this point to the chin. And it's complete. It's your jawline of anime face. So now from that point I will extend the line, and I will make the head from that line. I will extend the line very gently and make a half circle in the upper side, and again I will down curve and I will match the line to this point. And after you complete this, you have just a basic structure of your anime face. So now I will take 2 points. One point is between the chin and between the horizontal line of the box, and other one is the middle point of the horizontal line and the middle point, and the middle point is going to be the mouth. Yeah, this is going to be the lips of anime character, and other one is going to be the nose. And you can you can make little bit higher or lower according to your choice. So now for the eyes, the center line of the box is indicating the lower eyelid, and I will draw another line, and I will take the other line just above, a little bit above the middle point, and this line is going to be the eyebrow line of your anime face. And I will take another line in the middle point, and this line is going to be the upper eyelid of your anime eyes. Then just for my mapping I will draw another line center, in center between the two line of upper eyelid and lower eyelid. So now just indicate the middle point of each side. This is going to be the middle point of left side, and this is going to be the middle point of right side. Now just make a straight line for mapping and draw extra 2 lines each of the side. Yes, and this is going to be the size of your eyes. And remember guys, the gap between two eyes is as same as the width of the eye. And now draw the eye as you want. I mean, there are a lot of types of eye in anime face, so it's completely up to you what type of eye you want to draw. I'm just going to draw an easy and a super big eye for my character. So as you see, this is the upper eyelid, and the upper eyelid is touch the line I drew before for the upper eyelid. So don't draw bigger than the mapping you just make before. And this is the lower eyelid. Now it's time to draw the eyeball. Always draw with perfect mapping. Without perfect mapping, just don't draw any of your part of anime face. And now I am decorating the eyes as I want. This is the reflective part of your eyes. I mean, this two part is the reflective part of eyes. Reflective part means I just don't know. And now for the other eyes, I will keep the both eyes as same as possible, because it's not actually 100% possible to draw both eyes same time, so I will keep as same as possible. And for that, always compare it between two eyes, always. You guys are saying that I'm taking the full measurement. I mean the mapping. The mapping is very crucial.